For the fifth World Kyokushin Tournament. Let's have it. Let's start with an opening ceremony by Sensei Roel Territoriano, our head chairman for Thank you, Sensei, for having you. We're happy to have you here, Sensei. Senpai Yoshinobu Nagashima.
Nasana siya?
Welcome to the Philippines, Senpai. And now we would like to acknowledge the presence of each of the organizations who are participating in today's tournament. As I call on your organization's name, can you say the biggest os that you can muster? Is it okay? Yes. The loudest os, the World Kyokushin Philippines. Again, World Kyokushin Philippines. Headed by Sensei Shihan Roel Territoriano. Napaka-humble ng Sensei namin. Ayaw niya mag-Shihan. For the Caloocan branch, Sensei Ernesto Gonzaga. From Quezon City branch, Sensei Ronald Obomani. From Tuguegarao branch, Sensei Ryan Villarosa. From Cavite branch, Sensei Paul Jan Salvador. Thank you so much, World Kyokushin Philippines. Now let's move on ahead. Qualified. That's why Kyokushin is not just a karate. It is a way of life. Inside and outside the mat, inside and outside the dojo, you have to always practice that virtue. Now, I think you have seen this video in YouTube, in Facebook. There was this tournament, a karate also, where the tournament turns into a brawl. Di ba nag-away-away sila? And yung sensei pa nila yung nanguna. It will not happen here. Kung merong isa sa inyo na magsimula anong brawl na yon, ipapabugbog natin dito sa mga bata, ha? So it should not happen here because we have virtues. We value respect and we value discipline and we value humility. Now, for that, we are going to call on to Senpai Aquino, to Senpai Jagger Lagrimas, to Senpai Ivan Joe Canigosa,